Okay, I am gonna save you from all the boring details and fiddling and all that kind of stuff. Basically, I got all the bird blocks in. Bird blockers or bird blocks? I don't know. Can you see them? That's gonna provide plenty of ventilation, I think. But had to be a little fiddly with that. I got all the stuff, all the screens nailed on, and that was like an all-day job. I'm really glad to get that out of the way, just because it's just so time consuming fitting all those things and nailing them all together. But I think now that it's done, I'm pretty excited. I'm really close to putting on the roof sheathing. I think the last thing I have to do before I do that is, you can't really see it because it's sort of covered up, you have to take my word for it, the very peak of this, I have a rafter for each side that sticks out. It sticks out 1 foot right out here. So I don't have that on, of course, because it's just, there's nothing there. So I'm probably gonna nail a 2x4 up here to kind of hold it temporarily before I put the front fascia on there to hold it up. And then I'm gonna put some stickers once the once the sheathing's on there. I can put some stickers in there to kind of tighten it up, give it something to screw down to, and then should be okay. That's kind of how the cabin is. Actually, the cabin has a lot more overhang than this, so I'm not worried about that. It's like less than a foot. You're talking like 9 inches or something like that hanging off. So yeah, once I get that all dialed in, then we're ready to put the sheathing on. It's supposed to be kind of stormy this weekend, so and it's also Mother's Day, so I probably won't do that this weekend. We got some stuff going on the rest of the weekend. But next week, end of next week and weekend look really nice and warm, dry. So that's perfect. I'll be able to take this tarp off and then hopefully get a couple friends over here and we can heave that sheathing up there, dry it in, and then the stress will be off. We can just concentrate on finishing this thing up, making it look good. I've been in kind of a mad rush to get to this point, just because I want to get it over with. I want to get the roof on there. And yeah, that's basically it. So not a whole lot more. I don't know if I'm going to do a whole lot. I don't know if I'm going to do much more on it this weekend. I got the I don't know if I did I do a video on that? I put the hurricane clips on there last night on the roof rafters and joists and all that. So that's going to tie it all down. It's very tight now. I mean, it's like locked down. We don't get hurricanes up here, but the snow load, wind, and all that kind of stuff. It's just nice to have that peace of mind. So this thing is really shaping up to be a pretty tough little building, pretty beefy, pretty strong. I mean, it's like you can't even move it now. It is tight. So I'm pretty stoked. Yeah, I don't know. I guess really the next thing is just to kind of get those last rafters up there and put the roof on. So maybe I can get some people. I can't do it this weekend, but maybe the end of the week I'll be able to get some help over here and we can heave that up there. I can also do the lower pieces myself. I got to get a measurement, but I think it's like a foot. I really just need like a foot strip down below on the first rung there, and then I should just be able to slide the full sheets up above that, and they'll just sit on top, so they won't go anywhere. I'll just need some help to like get it up off the ground and slide it up there. It's going to be super helpful with this deck, with this attic thing, plywood up here. I can stand up there. It's going to be super easy having this plywood up on the ceiling there, so I should just be able to stand up there without even using a ladder and just pull the stuff up. So looking forward to that, and then I got to figure out what kind of roof covering to put on there. Not roof covering. I'm going to put shingles on there, but underlayment. I'm looking at several different options, and I kind of have to figure that out here soon. So that's all we got for today. Hope you guys are doing well. See you on the next one.